with these all the time. Anyways, enjoy. Look, Sika's wearing his shoes today. I'm trying to be quiet because I don't want to get busted or anything. But look who we are. Hill? Yes. We are back here at 6912 Main Street here in Downers Grove, Illinois. And look, renovations have happened. There's wet paint over here. And before we get on the elevator, back when my dad used to work here, there used to be a popcorn machine here. Looks like the vending machine's not turned on. Looks like it's shut off. Alright, come here, Ziggy. Good boy. That is wet paint right here. These stairs can't be used, so someone may have to use the elevator, so I'll let them use it. Or not. He's not the biggest fan of the shoes, by the way, so don't judge, please. The machine room is right in here, but we can't get in there because it's obviously locked. And I think it's still upstairs on the second floor because someone used it when I came down here to put them on in the bathroom over there. Alt on 1. Alright, let's go. Good boy. Good job. According to the record, this elevator was installed in 1991. And these brails are added, as you can see. Oh, they changed the number 1. It used to be like facing sideways from my last clips of this. So it was Joseph Bless's clip. All right, let's go. There's a sensor right there. And in the basement. This thing always likes to shift. It shifts to the left. and that's it.